What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to talk about how to import items and how to create a new composition. Okay, but before that, After Effects is not the only software out there for video editing. We have Premiere Pro, we have Final Cut Pro, we have DaVinci Resolve, and a whole lot of others. Filmora is there, and there are a lot. But what I really like using is After Effects because of the flexibility it gives me. And yes, I use Premiere Pro most sometimes, but I use After Effects most of the times, okay, because it gives me so much flexibility whenever I'm editing something. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and import something. But before we import anything, you have to create a new composition. Okay, and new composition will give you a canvas, more like a preview, where you'll be able to view whatever you are doing. So let's go ahead and create a new composition. So this one right here says new composition. You can also click on file and then new project. Okay, but we don't want that. We need a new composition. We've already created a new project in our previous video. If you don't watch that one, go ahead and watch it. Okay, so we click on new composition and we enter this name. What name should we enter? Let's say main composition. All right, let me make caps. Main composition. Yeah, I hope I get that right. Yeah, composition. And then what you can do here is just leave this one as default. Set this one to 1920 by 1080. That's for width 1920, height 1080 pixels. You don't want to lock this one because whenever you lock it, it's going to lock it to the 16 by 9 frame. Okay, and we don't want that aspect ratio always, so just leave it unlocked. And square pixel, leave it like that, 29.97. okay, drop frame, good. Quarter, you can change it to third or half or full, but you want to keep it at quarter because whenever you are previewing, it will preview faster. It renders faster in quarter, and if you move it higher, you just want to slow down things. Okay, so just keep it at quarter. If it's not there, set it to quarter. All right, now we can also change this time here. I set it to 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. This one right here, the first zeros here, I mean the last one is milliseconds, and we have seconds, and we have minutes, and then hours. Okay, so you can change it to hour. Maybe you are working on a 2-hour video, you can change it to 2 hours, and then you can change this one to any time you want, but I want to keep it at 20. Okay, and here we have the color, the background color. You can change it to any color you want. Instead of black, you can change it to, just click on this one here, and then you are good to go. So you can click on the red, and you can also change the color right above here. Okay, I want to keep it on black, so it's either I set it to this side, or I just click on cancel and it's set to black. Okay, so now I can click on OK, and composition is created. All right, so let's quickly go through how we will import items inside After Effects. Okay, so what I want to go is to click on file and then import and then file. You can import one file, multiple files, it doesn't matter. So if you click on multiple files, it will give you the option to import one file, then after that you can import another one until you are done. All right, so you can just click on file or press Ctrl I or Command I if you're on Mac. Okay, so what I want to click on is file. Then it will open up this window for us where we can import our media. It can be picture, it can be audio, it can be video. Okay, so I want to import this 11-second advert done video, and I want to import another picture. Where is it? Let's use yeah, shop from Elion Digitals. Great. So I have this one, and then we wish you a Merry Christmas. Now it's not Christmas yet. Okay, so I'll import it, and then I'll show you where you can change your directory. Okay, so let's import it, and we have it inside the project panel. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Command I, Control I or Command I to open this import file window. Then what I want to do is to click on my D drive and then go to audio, and I want to insert this Max Wolf astronaut in the ocean. Okay, Max Wolf, I really love that guy. He's very good. Okay, then import. So now we have a video, an audio, and an image. Okay, so that's basically how you import items into After Effects. Now you can drag and drop these items onto your timeline and you start editing. Okay, so you just drag and drop it onto your timeline, drag and drop it, and then drag and drop. You see this refresh disable, release caps lock to refresh now. So you just press on caps lock and you are good to go. So this one right here is overlaying all the others because it's at the top here. It's at the top here, and advert done is beneath it. So whichever layer that is at the top will show first, then you follow that order. You get it? Good. So if I want to show this one first, then I bring it up. Okay, it's blank because it starts from a black space. All right, so now we have it there. Very nice, very good. Okay, and by the way, I designed this a month ago. There's from now to Friday 50% off, and I can use it anytime I want because of how I made it. All right, there's no day, there's no, so you can just advertise it on from Monday. You said you post it on your media, on your status on Monday, so from Monday to Friday, from now to Friday, you get it. Yeah, so it's actually nice. I think we have to end here and leave the rest for the next video, so you make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.